Welcome to consumr.ai. Let's learn how to map your existing customer segments into AI twins, the foundation that powers every research study on the platform. Every research workflow starts in the calendar. This is where you'll set up your segments, just like every other project on consumr.ai. Click New Events to begin. This is the launchpad for both segment setup and full study design. On consumr.ai, the two are deeply connected, because the quality of your segments directly shapes the quality of every insight downstream. Next, click New Research Study. This opens the design flow. But here's the key thing. You always define your audience before any survey or interview goes live. Welcome to the Research Setup dashboard. This is where consumer segments take shape. Think of it this way. Your research is only ever as sharp as the audience profile underneath it. Get this step right, and everything downstream gets easier. Already have an existing segmentation study? Simply upload your PDF, and consumr.ai will automatically extract and populate your audience segment definitions for you. If your organization already has first-party audience data available, you can import and work directly with those custom audience segments here. And if you only have high-level audience briefs but still need fully developed segment profiles, this option helps transform those ideas into structured consumer personas. For this walkthrough, we'll be selecting this approach. Once your selection is complete, click Continue to move into the next stage of the workflow. Give your segment a clear name, something your team can easily reference across studies as your research library scales. Now capture the deeper layers: buying triggers, lifestyle markers, brand affinities, and the emotional drivers that shape how this audience actually behaves. Need help filling it out? Let consumr.ai recommend smart suggestions for behaviors and motivations generated from your initial inputs. You have the option to build multiple segment definitions at the same time. Once you're happy, finalize the segment. From this point on, it becomes the backbone of both your quantitative panels and qualitative research. Use this segment to build survey respondents at scale. Statistically valid panels for concept testing, brand tracking, message prioritization, anything where you need hard numbers you can defend. Or convert it into individual AI twins for qualitative depth. Ready for one-on-one interviews, focus groups, brainstorming sessions, the full range of qualitative workflows. Save your setup to your library. Every segment you build becomes a reusable research asset. The more studies you run, the more your library compounds in value, and the faster every future project gets to launch. Now calibrate the consumer mindset metrics. These are the psychology signals underneath every twin, and they're what make responses feel grounded in real human behavior. Generate behavior, intent, and mentions reports. Search behaviors and brand mentions that anchor your segment to real-world consumer activity. Audit every recommendation the platform surfaces. Accept, refine, or replace each one. Click Regenerate anytime to redo the reports. Or modify any field manually for precision. Optimize the keywords and social sources too. Sharpen the digital footprint that informs every twin in your panel. Now generate your interactive AI twins, a full panel ready to participate in surveys, interviews, focus groups, anything you want to run. Watch the generation progress live. The platform models each individual consumer profile from the segment you just built. Once your twins are live, move straight into your first study, a survey, a focus group, or a one-on-one interview. The choice is yours. Wrap up your setup and start interviewing. Your newly built segment is ready to work on real business questions. That's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.